What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and as y'all seen by that title, we finna get into this bomb 26-inch curly HD unit from Westkiss hair. I want to shout them out for sponsoring this video. This is some of the bombest hair I've ever touched in my life. It's not an exaggeration. I think they have easily just become my new favorite hair company. But y'all, we about to get into it. If you want to see how I achieved this look, how I got these curls popping, how I installed this wig, just keep on watching this video. Alright y'all, so this is what the wig looks like after I've washed it. I bleached the knots. I didn't do any plucking whatsoever just yet, and I believe I just let the hair just air dry. And then this is the stuff that I used to do my ball cap, which I didn't do on camera. But yeah, here I am spraying that boho skin protect on. And I'm just going in with my boho active to lay the lace down. I'm going to be doing 3 layers of this, y'all. Y'all, when I say this wig is so bomb and full, y'all. I got this wig in 200 density, which is really full. Honestly, you really can get away with getting the 180 density. But I got mine really full and thick, which I think this will make some great like fall winter hair. That's kind of just a little side note. But yeah, I got this hair in 26 inches, y'all. This is a HD lace, and it is a 13x4, and this is the texture curly. I absolutely love their curly hair, y'all. Like, this hair is some of the softest, best curly hair I've ever had in my life. Like, no exaggeration. As soon as I pulled it out the box, the hair was super duper soft. Like, I can't stress enough how soft the curls were. One thing I do regret, which is not their fault at all, is getting this wig in a medium cap size. Usually I am a medium, like regular, average, whatever you want to call it, cap size. But I do wish I got a large, just because this wig was fitting a little snug, y'all. Like, it was just making it. And part of the reason could be that I didn't have the flattest foundation under my wig, like, but it was flat enough. Like, it wasn't super bulky. So next time I'll just get a large cap size just to be safe. And just, yeah, you can always make it tighter in the back and adjust it with the straps and everything. So now here I am cutting the ear tabs off last minute because I forgot to do that earlier, but you want to make sure you cut those off just so it fits to your hair properly. And now I'm doing a back comb motion, also going in with my blow dryer because, like I said, this wig was kind of snug and I needed some extra assistance. Y'all gonna see me go back and forth with this lace, just trying to make sure that it's laid. Like I said, it was just making it. And by the way, your girl is a little congested, so if y'all hear me sounding a little sick, that's what that is. The whole nose situation, I don't know if it's the weather change or what, but yeah, allergies, all that stuff is going on right now. So that's what's going on if y'all hear my voice sounding a little sick and hoarse. So now y'all just see me putting an elastic band over this lace, and now I'm cutting it off with a little razor. This lace was so thin, and when I say it melted, it melted, okay? Like I said, y'all, I believe Westkiss is about to easily become one of my favorite hair companies. I've already heard really great things about them, and I've actually purchased a unit on my own from them with my own coins, and I really liked it. It was little bob. It was like a little teapot bob. Yeah, I really liked that. And the hair on that unit was super duper bomb. So I kind of already had high expectations, and they're definitely being met. I've heard really good things about them. So I was so excited when they reached out to me to review some of their hair. So yeah, Westkiss, I know y'all gonna see this. Your girl definitely want to keep working with y'all. I absolutely love y'all hair, and I definitely recommend it to y'all, my audience, whoever comes across this video. If you're looking for a good wig company, check out Westkiss hair, okay? And I'm gonna have, of course, all the information to this wig in the description box down below. Here I am, like I said, going back and forth with the lace and just trying to make sure that it's laid. Child, it gave me a little hard time. This is why it's so important to get your right cap size, or just go with a large, just in case. So now that the lace is all laid, I'm just going in with this Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray, and I'm just putting that on the edges of the lace so it can really, you know, melt in there. And I'm going to put the elastic band on once again just to let it melt and all of that good stuff. And I kind of pulled the sideburns down because since the wig was just making it, I wanted some extra support. I didn't want this whole wig to come back So I just pulled those out. And now I'm going ahead and seeing what part I want to do. I was going back and forth between the middle part and the side part, but I've been wearing actually curly hair for like my last few installs have been curly hair. So I was like, okay, let me see what it's gonna look like with a middle part, since I did side parts for the other curly units. So yeah, now I'm just using my Care wax stick. I'm going ahead and hot combing the hair. Y'all know what I say about that hot comb. It's your best friend when you're applying a wig, okay? Just to get the wig flat, make sure everything is laying. I'm also taking out the hair from my baby hairs that I want to do and trying to make them symmetrical on each side. That really helped me, like going back and forth, because I used to just do one side at a time. And I mean, you can do that and still get it pretty symmetrical, but I like to just take them all out. Honestly, y'all, I switch up how I do my hair a lot. Sometimes the installs are just never the same. But yeah, I do like doing this, just taking them out on both sides so they can kind of be even a little bit and match. And now I'm doing a little bit of plucking. Now their units do come pre-plucked, and honestly you can just pop this bad boy on if you want to, but I just went in and did a little extra plucking. And yeah, y'all just see me curling the baby hairs before I get ready to lay them, and just plucking them so that the hair is kind of thinner. I don't really like full looking baby hairs. I like them to be a little bit more thinner and natural. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And now I'm just using the Got2b glue. I see a lot of people use Got2b glue spray to lay their baby hairs down. I had to finagle and finesse with it. I don't know if I really like it. Honestly, I feel like if you're going for that soft baby hair look, you can just use some mousse, because that's what I end up using like a couple days later when I wanted to freshen them up with some mousse. But just depending on how much of this Got2b glue you use, they can get crunchy and like lay flat to the head. Some people like the lay flat to the head look. Some people like that natural look that just looks very much wispy and like it's not so stuck to your skin. I do both. So yeah, it's just all your preference. You can really use whatever you want. Y'all done see me use Got2b glue gel, Gorilla Snot, all type of stuff. So yeah, now I'm just gonna be playing with the baby hairs and laying them down, and of course plucking, because like I said, I didn't do any plucking. This wig came pre-plucked, so I just decided to do a little bit on my head. But yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch this process. I've been talking y'all heads off. Alright y'all, so now I'm revisiting the part and just getting it as straight as I can. And now I'm going to be using my wax stick to lay the top of this wig flat, okay? Flat. So I'm even going in more into that part, just because this hair is really full. Like I said, if you don't want a lot of hair on your wig, don't go with this 200 density, because it's probably going to get on your nerves. It's a lot of hair. But yeah, like I said, I'm just going in and hot combing. This is really how you get your wig flat, just by parting and going through the frontal at the top and actually just pressing the hair out. Because sometimes when you just press out the top of the hair, you could still get like a bulky look. So yeah, I was going for that flat look, okay? So y'all just see me using my hot comb, And since this is curly hair, I didn't want to take the hot comb too far down the hair, but like I said, I did want the top flat. So now I'm just going in with that same cream foundation from Ruby Kisses that I put on my ball cap. I'm just putting that in a part, and now I'm just going in with this little spray. I think I got it from Amazon. I forgot what it's called, but it's like a little root cover up, touch up type of spray. And I just like to flat iron the hair, because truth be told, it's a little bit lighter than most wigs come. So yeah, I just like to flat iron that at the top, and it just kind of blends in. And do y'all see what the hair is giving already? Honey. Now I'm just taking water and my Nairobi foaming lotion, and that's what I'm going to be using to define these curls. The hair is so pretty when it's wet, y'all. I love this hair in the wet look, because it still looks really full. Like, even after, because I got it in this density, even after wetting it, it still looks so full, and I love that. And when it dries, it gets big, okay? It gets really big. So yeah, these are the only two products that I'm putting in the hair. Y'all, get into these curls. I absolutely love. I'm in love. Love this wig. Love this unit. I love the length. Love the hair. It's so bomb. Like, I can't stress how bomb it is. Y'all see the definition. And like I said, when the hair dries, it definitely does get big. So yeah, that is what it was given. I feel like to keep it more on this side, looking like the wet look, you would dang near have to put like some gel in it, definitely, to keep it like that. Because even with my mousse and little water combo, yeah, we definitely got some big hair by the end of the day. But yeah, that's just because, again, the density is high. So yeah, y'all just see me pumping up that foaming lotion, and yeah, this hair was so bomb. Definitely recommend it if you're looking for just some good wigs in general, because I'm just in high expectation that if this curly wig is this bomb, then all of their units are, especially the lace on the units, the HD lace wigs. I just love everything about this hair. Like I said, the length, the definition, how soft the hair was, how easily the knots bleached, all of that good stuff. So yeah, if y'all are interested in this unit, definitely make sure you check them out. Thank you so much, Westkiss Hair, for sponsoring this video. I'm definitely looking forward to more collaborations with y'all. And yeah, y'all, make sure y'all check out the links in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And leave me some suggestions down below. Hit that bell for post notifications. And I will see y'all in the next video. Take you